Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Dinda Aulia from Economic Class. This video is for my development economic segment. Today we will discuss Finland's industry and economic situation. 1. Overview of Finland's economy. Finland's economy is one of the most advanced in the world. The country has a gross domestic product of $306 billion, with a per capita income of $54,774 per year. This means the average Finnish person has an income far above the world average. After experiencing a recession in 2023 to 2024, Finland's economy is now recovering. In the last quarter of 2025, growth turned positive. Banks predict growth of 1.5% in 2026, increasing to 1.9% in 2027. The economic structure of Finland is dominated by the service sector, which accounts for 70%, followed by industry and construction at 27%, and agriculture and forestry at 3%. The country is highly dependent on international trade, with exporting reaching 40% of total gross domestic product. 2. Finland's leading industrial sectors. Traditional industry that are the backbone. The forest industry is Finland's historical sector. The country is rich in forests, so the paper and wood products industry has been a mainstay for a long time. Companies like UPM and Stora Enso are global players in this industry. The metal and machinery industry is currently the strongest sector. The latest data show new order growth of 5% compared to last year. Finland's metal industry is known for its quality, especially for mining and heavy manufacturing needs. The chemical industry is also an export mainstay. The sector continues to grow and attract new investment in 2026. Modern and high-tech industries, electronic and ICT cannot be separated from Nokia, the phone company that once dominated the world. Also, Nokia is not as dominant as before. The technological expertise remains strong in Finland. Many technology startups are emerging. Biotechnology is growing rapidly. Finland has expertise in health and genetic research. Future industries are being promoted by the government, including battery industry for electric vehicles, hydrogen technology as clean energy, artificial intelligence or AI, quantum technology for super fast computing. 3. Let's industry performance 2026. Good news, the sector is growing. Industrial production overall rose 2% in February 2026. This is good news because it shows acceleration after a difficult period. Investment in the manufacturing sector is predicted to rise 5% through 2026. This means companies are confident in building new factories and machinery. New orders also increased by 5%, indicating demand for finished products continues to grow. Research investment rose 2%. Finland is indeed known as a country that takes research and development seriously. However, not all sectors are equal. The metal industry shows strong growth, but the chemical and food industries record an increase in investment. In contrast, The technology industry remains stagnant with no significant growth. Investment in the forest industry is declining. Most notably, the energy sector experienced a sharp drop in investment, down by 30%. This indicates that industrial recovery in Finland is uneven across sectors. Problem in the energy sector. Energy investment, especially wind power, has dropped by 30% for 2 consecutive years. The reason is uniquely Finland's electricity prices are too low. This is good for consumer and industry, but power companies are not interested in building new plants because there is no profit. 4. What is the government doing? Support for the defense industry. The warming global security situation has made the Finnish government move quickly. In February 2026, they proposed new regulation to accelerate permits for defense factory construction. Normal lengthy process can be shortened for national security interests. Incentives for data centers. Finland wants to become Europe's data centers hub. Starting July 2026, the government provides tax relief for 10 years for companies building data centers. Requirements must be energy efficient or utilities was held for other purposes. Ambitious climate targets. Finland's target carbon neutrality by 2035, faster than almost any country in the world. The new energy and climate strategy includes accelerating clean energy transition, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, strengthening carbon sinks or forests. Currently, more than 90% of Finland's electricity comes from low-carbon sources. 5. Challenge faced. Threats from abroad. The Iran crisis has caused oil and gas prices to rise. If the conflict in the Strait of Hormuz drags on, it could disrupt Finland's economic growth. Germany, as a main trading partner, is experiencing an economic slowdown. This directly affects Finland. American tariff policies create uncertainty in global markets. Problems from within. Aging population is a major problem. Finland is aging faster than other European countries. Fewer productive aged people means a heavier economic burden. Productivity has stagnated for the past 15 years. This means there has been no significant efficiency improvement. Small and medium enterprises have difficulty accessing credit at reasonable interest rates. Loans are expensive and procedures are complicated. Government finance. Government debt reached 82.5% of gross domestic product in 2024 and is predicted to rise to 86.1% in 2026. The government is forced to make major cutbacks. The budget deficit stood at 4.2% of gross domestic product in 2024 and is targeted to fall below 3% in 2026. 6. Summary data for infographics. Here is a summary of the key data you can show in your infographics. First, the economic facts. Finland's gross domestic product is $306 billion. Gross domestic product per capita is $54,774. Gross domestic product growth for 2026 is predicted at 1.5%. The service sector makes up 70% of gross domestic product. The industrial sector makes up 27% of gross domestic product, and export account for 40% of gross domestic product. Second, industry performance for 2026. Industrial production grew by 2.0%. Manufacturing investment is up 5%. New order increased by 5%. Research investment is up 2%, but energy investment dropped by 30%. 7. Conclusion. Finland has an advanced and diverse industry. Traditional sectors like forestry, metal, and chemical remain the backbone. Meanwhile, the government actively promotes future industries like batteries, artificial intelligence, and quantum technology. The economy is in a recovery period with a growth target of 1.5% in 2026. However, major challenges still aging population, high debt at 86.1% of gross domestic product, and global uncertainty. The government responds with active policies, tax incentive, acceleration permit for strategic industries, and ambitious climate targets. Finland is working hard to maintain its position as one of the most advanced economies in the world. Also, Finland shows strong industrial recovery. Long-term growth will depend on productivity improvement and demographic reform. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.